Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to equip your kitchen with everything you need for everyday culinary adventures. We're talking about the Amazon Basics Hard Anodized Non-Stick 12-piece cookware set in sleek black. Is this set the workhorse your kitchen has been waiting for, or is it just another collection of pots and pans destined for the back of the cupboard? Let's find out. First impressions matter, and this Amazon Basics set makes a solid one with its promise of versatility. It's a 12-piece ensemble, and they've included a good range of items. We're talking about saucepans of varying sizes, a casserole dish, 2 skillets, and even some essential utensils. This immediately suggests that for someone looking to start from scratch, or perhaps upgrade a mismatched collection, this set could be a very convenient all-in-one solution. The core of this cookware's construction is its durable aluminum body. This is a material known for its excellent heat conduction, and the claim here is that it delivers even heat distribution all around, with no dead zones or hot spots. This is crucial for consistent cooking results. Whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or searing a piece of meat, even heating prevents scorching in one area while leaving another undercooked. Moving on to the exterior, we have what Amazon calls a hard anodized exterior. This is a significant feature for any cookware. It's designed to be extremely durable, meaning it should resist scratches from everyday use, from metal utensils, and general wear and tear. This scratch resistance is a big deal for longevity, and it also contributes to making cleanup a breeze. A non-stick surface is only as good as its ability to maintain that slickness, and a tough exterior helps protect it. Comfort and safety are always paramount in the kitchen, and Amazon addresses this with their soft stay cool handle design. These handles are covered in a soft silicone material, which is not only designed to stay cool to the touch, even when the pan is piping hot, but also offers a comfortable, non-slip grip. This is essential for safely maneuvering pots and pans, especially when they're full of food. A secure grip reduces the chances of accidents. Now, let's talk about practicality. This cookware set is marked as oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. This opens up a range of cooking possibilities beyond just the stovetop, allowing you to transfer dishes from the burner to the oven for finishing or baking. However, there's a notable exclusion here: it is not suitable for induction hobs. So, if you have an induction stovetop, this set won't be compatible. On the upside, it is dishwasher safe, which is a huge convenience for many home cooks. A quick and easy clean after a meal is always a welcome feature. Let's break down the packing list to see exactly what you get. You receive a 5.5-inch, 1.1 quart saucepan with a lid. Then, there's a 6.3-inch, 1.5 quart saucepan with its lid. Moving up in size, you get a 7-inch, 3-quart saucepan, also with a lid. For larger dishes, there's a 9.5-inch, 5-quart casserole with a lid. In terms of frying pans, you'll find an 8-inch skillet and a 10-inch skillet. And to round off the set, 2 basic utensils are included, a slotted spatula and a solid spoon. Now, let's consider the pros and cons of this Amazon Basics Hard Anodized Non-Stick 12-piece cookware set. On the positive side, the versatility of a 12-piece set is undeniable. It provides a comprehensive collection for most common cooking tasks, making it an excellent choice for beginners or those looking for a cohesive set. The hard anodized exterior promises durability and resistance to scratches, which should contribute to the longevity of the cookware. The soft, stay-cool handles are a thoughtful design element that prioritizes comfort and safety during use. The oven-safe feature up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit adds to its versatility, and the dishwasher-safe aspect is a significant convenience for everyday cleanup. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The most significant limitation is that this set is not compatible with induction cooktops. This immediately excludes a segment of the market. While the aluminum body offers good heat conduction, it's important to remember that aluminum can be prone to warping over time with very high heat or rapid temperature changes, although the hard anodized process is designed to mitigate this. The included utensils are basic, and serious cooks might want to invest in higher quality ones separately. Lastly, while it is oven safe, the temperature limit of 350 degrees Fahrenheit might be restrictive for some recipes that require higher oven temperatures. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics Hard Anodized Non-Stick 12-piece cookware set is a strong contender for those seeking a complete and affordable kitchen upgrade, provided you don't have an induction stovetop. It offers a good range of sizes, a durable exterior, and user-friendly handles. For everyday cooking, simmering, and light frying, it should perform admirably. If your cooking needs extend to very high oven temperatures or if you're an induction cooktop user, you might need to look elsewhere. But for the vast majority of home cooks wanting a reliable, easy-to-clean, and comprehensive set, this Amazon Basics offering is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.